Gold is not the only metal on the rise. Copper has been trading at 14-month highs. Take a look at the chart of how copper is trading. Today it's down about 1% on the day, but look at that move that it's had since the beginning of the year. Really incredible. Is copper the new gold, or has it run out of room to run? Let's bring in Chuck Bradford, partner and metals analyst at Affiliated Research Group. Chuck, thanks so much for joining us. So what's behind the move in copper? I mean, is it like oil and gold, or is there something else to it?
Well, Chinese reported consumption, they call apparent consumption, is up 45% so far this year. Their imports of copper have more than doubled. And that's really a major driving force because the rest of the world's down about 19%. So between the balance of 45% up for China, and if you believe that, I can sell you a bridge, and the rest of the world down 19, the total balance is pretty close.
Can I just ask on those figures where we are from, say, 2 or 3 years ago? Because obviously we've reached a bottom, so those figures would look very nice on the way up. How do we compare to 2, 3, 4, 5 years ago?
Well, generally speaking, copper demand, being an industrial cyclical, follows world economic activity.
Right.
So we are up. It's just we are coming off a real bad low.
Right, that's the point, yeah.
It would make me nervous to invest based on demand figures out of China because it's so hard to trust any data that you get out of China. I mean, do you trust those numbers, and do you feel like that will continue?
Well, some of the numbers we get are okay, but what's missing is the inventory. And I think that real consumption in China maybe is up 10 or 12%, tying to an 8% economic growth. So the 45, the difference is Chinese government entities buying inventory.
I see that they've got reportedly 1 million tons that may be lying around that actually is not through the government but through business people trying to speculate, arguably through stimulus cash that they've managed to get their hands on. Does that reassure you as an investor, or does that create the possibility of a bubble there? That they might suddenly put it on the market? Because they're playing the dollar like everybody else, aren't they?
Well, the big thing is the dollar. You have the president going to China saying, we want you to increase the value of the yuan. At the same time, Secretary Geithner is saying, well, we've got a strong dollar policy. They can't increase their yuan without the dollar weakening.
So given all that, would you invest, and if so, how would you do it?
Well, I mean, the one company that I deal with is Freeport Copper and Gold. I think that's a good investment even today, with the stock up 5-fold from the low. That was a $15 stock not that long ago. But it also was a $125 stock several months before that. So we still have a way to go back up, but it's a better company. Aaron Burnett visited their mine in the Congo, brand new, just coming on stream now. They paid off $20-odd billion they used to buy Phelps Dodge. So it's a stronger company, and that's the way I would play it.
Okay, thanks so much. Interesting ideas.